In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Snapfish promo code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser and search up Snapfish promo code. And once that is done, you're gonna scroll down until you see this website, Daily Mail. So then you're gonna click on this website. Once you're on this website, you're gonna see many promo codes. So the first one is get a 30% off by applying this voucher code. So you can click on it. And this is a promo code for getting a 30% off. So you can just click copy code. Then all you have to do is go to store, which is going to redirect you to their website. There you can choose your products and you can use this code at checkout. And now I'm going to show you a few more codes. So another code is here, save 30% off on your order, so you can click on it. So this is SFUK1227, so that's another code, so you can use that at checkout. So Snapfish UK 1227, so you can use that at checkout. Same way, go to store and repeat the same method. Now I'm going to go to some other website and show you a few more codes. So there's this website, voucher code, so you can click on it. No, let's go to some other website. This doesn't work. Let's go to Retail Me Not. This is also a very good website. So once you're on this website, you're gonna see many promo codes as well. So the first one is 70% off your order, so you can click on it. And this code 70 site snap is gonna give you a 70% off. So you can copy the code and use it at checkout. So I'm gonna show you a few more codes. So 60% off, $50 plus. So let's say you're purchasing something which is over $50, you can use this code, which is gonna give you a 60% discount. So 60 win 50. So that's the code. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out. I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.